How to send blank message on Messenger. So the first step is by opening your web browser such as Safari or Google Chrome right here. And then simply go to Google and search for copy blank text, or you may also search for invisible character right here. So click on that very first option and make sure to click on copy to clipboard right here. You may also copy manually by going to this second method. So you may just press and hold on to this option right here, so which you may click on select text and then copy it and go to Messenger. So I'll go right here, paste the message and then send it. So as you can see, the message is blank. So that's it. That's how you can send blank message on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.